Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to change header design on Wix. So let's get started. When you're logged in into your Wix account and go to your website editor, you will have your header up here. If you don't have a header, you just go to add elements and you will go to menu and anchor, and to my menus you can go and add some headers. If you have a header, you just can go like me and you can select and change everything you want. Like this one, you can click on the text and click edit text and change the font and everything for itself how you want it to be. If you want to change everything simultaneously, you just go to the site design and you go to the site theme, and by changing the site theme colors or just text, or just the whole theme, your header also will be changed as well in one whole. And guys, of course, you can do everything what you want with it. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller, whatever you want. So guys, this is how you change a header design in Wix. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you need any other questions, just ask it in the comments or visit our YouTube channel down below. We have every tutorial that you need. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.